Hello, my dear followers. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I've got a light and healthy recipe for you that's perfect for any time of the day. Pasta salad. It's super simple, quick to prepare, and I'm sure you'll love it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on our channel. Let's dive in. First, we're going to bring a pot of water to a boil over medium heat. Add a pinch of salt to the water, and once it's boiling, toss in your favorite type of pasta. Let the pasta cook until it's fully done, then drain it and set it aside. Next, we'll prepare the dressing that gives our salad its unique flavor. In a small bowl, mix some yogurt with 2 cheese cubes, a drizzle of olive oil, a bit of black thyme, and a pinch of salt. Then, add a dash of ground ginger and half a teaspoon of mustard. Mix everything together until you get a creamy and well-blended sauce. Now comes the fun part where we bring everything together. Take your cooked pasta and add chopped green peppers, shredded carrots, diced tomatoes, black olives, tuna, and some chopped parsley. Sprinkle in your favorite spices, like black pepper and cumin, and drizzle a little olive oil over it. Finally, pour the sauce you prepared earlier over the salad, mix everything thoroughly to combine the flavors, and there you have it, a delicious, healthy, and easy pasta salad. You can serve this as a light meal or alongside your main dishes, and I'm sure everyone will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching and for your continuous support. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give me a like and share the video with your friends. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so. And turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks again, and see you soon in the next video with a brand new recipe.